day. Oh, I'm exhausted.
Had a rough day, huh?
You don't say... Okay, I'll check once again. What if I just missed it? Oh no!
Uh-oh, is something wrong, Susie?
You won't believe this! My wallet got stolen today!
Holy cannoli! You must be very upset. Here, it might help you feel better. And a cozy cushion for some extra comfort. Here's some tea for you, too.
Thank you for your support, Sammy. At least there wasn't much money in that wallet. Just some change.
Still, it's a bummer, but I know how to make it all better. Here, have some chocolate spread. It'll make you feel better right away.
Wow, thank you, Sam. What if my new wallet gets stolen too? I know, it needs disguise.
A chocolate spread jar?
Well, of course, it's gonna be great.
But how on earth will your wallet fit inside this jar? And it's gonna get icky sticky?
Oh no, Sammy, I'm not gonna carry around the jar.
How did you mean then?
I'll shape my new wallet like a chocolate spread jar.
Aha! So, no one will guess that it's actually a wallet!
Yep.
Cool! That's very smart. Did you get this idea thanks to my care?
Of course, Sammy. So, to the craft table?
To the craft table!
Hey, friends. Thanks to Sam's care, I'm not stressed anymore. Even more than that, a cool idea came to my mind. Today we are going to...
Sue, check this out!
It's my sewing box. Why did you bring it?
Aren't you gonna sew a new wallet?
Not really, Sammy.
Okay, then I'll take it back.
Wait a second. I think we'll need this.
That's weird.
Okay, let me put this aside for now. 'Cause for the first step, we need this and this. Let's outline these chocolate spread jars using a marker. There! Hey, if you're a fan of chocolate spreads, like this video. Now, cutting out. Be very careful with scissors, friends. Take your time, don't rush. Or better yet, ask an adult to help you.
Hold on! Will you need any fabric at all?
Of course, later.
Right. Boom! Something like this?
No, Sammy, this fabric doesn't match our craft. I need felt.
You mean brown felt?
How did you guess? Can you bring some?
Oh, I know the color of my favorite dessert very well!
Why only did I ask? So this is what we will do with the brown felt. Just a little bit more and we're done. In fact, our piece of felt needs to be a bit smaller than the actual outline. You'll find out why soon.
Sue, if you aren't gonna sew, how will you attach the details?
Heat will help me.
Heat? Are you gonna bake the whole thing?
No, although I'm gonna need some baking paper.
Coming right up!
Oh, aren't I lucky to have such an assistant as Sam? He's so helpful.
Gotcha! Baking paper, you're coming? With me? I hope that's what Sue needs. She's gonna be happy. Oh, what would she do without me? Really? Here you go, Susie. Huh? Is this the source of that heat you mentioned?
Yep, but I haven't switched it on yet. It's still cold. Friends, always be careful when working with an iron. Or better ask an adult for help. Alright, so where's the baking paper, Sammy?
It is right here.
Thanks. Okay, it's time to plug in the iron. And I decided to use that fabric you brought.
Ha! I knew it.
Now here's the plastic detail. Then goes the piece of felt. And then another plastic piece.
So we need to make a plastic felt sandwich?
Yeah, something like that. Then I'll cover it with a piece of baking paper. And slowly and carefully iron the seams. We'd better be precise so our wallet didn't fall apart. Great! The base is ready. Now, let's make some pockets. First, a small one for coins. Oh, this is tricky. The slower I do it, the better. Here comes one more piece. Let's see.
Susie!
What's wrong?
While you were busy, I took care of something very important.
So what did you do?
I cut out the labels. Look!
Oh, great job! Thank you! Well, the wallet is almost ready. It's so cute! But to make it look even more realistic, we need to decorate it.
Ooh, my favorite part!
Exactly. Hey, you know what?
What is it, Sue? Tell me.
I need you to cut out white felt pieces for our chocolate spread wallet lids, please!
Sure thing. And the size?
You can use this as a reference.
Ooh, great!
In the meantime, I'll deal with these. Here we go. The labels are ready.
Why is it so hard? How does Sue do it without any effort? Ugh, come on! Yay! I did it! Subscribe to this channel to celebrate together with me. Susie Q, I'm coming to you!
I'll use double-sided sticky tape to attach the labels to the wallet. It goes like this.
Did someone ask for this?
Thank you, Sammy. Now we can make the lids for our jars. It's quite simple. I'll just apply some hot glue here and over here. Now, carefully. Carefully. Some more hot glue goes right here. Now bend, press, and repeat.
That'll keep the spread inside.
Right you are, Sammy. Well, look at this beauty, friends. It looks just like the real thing, right?
Don't you think something's missing?
Maybe this?
Exactly!
That's why we need Velcro. And the clasp goes like this. Shall we see if it works? Perfect!
Wow! Sue, the result is fantastic!
Thank you, Sammy. Now, let's try to put some money into the wallet. Great! I don't need to worry about my wallet anymore.
I believe this genius, idea-generating slime deserves a treat.
Right? I'll go buy a jar of chocolate spread for you using my chocolate spread wallet. See you soon, friends!
Hey! Now you may check the hat. Gimme, gimme! Who are you? Hello, friends! Welcome to Sammy's Magic Show! Thank you, thank you! So for my special trick, I'm going to need a volunteer.
Hey, I'm here. I'm a volunteer. Pick me.
Great! Now pick your card. Go ahead, don't be shy. Hey, you're not supposed to show it to me. Okay, here are the cards. Let's see if I can guess the one you picked.
Can he really do that?
Dunno. We'll see.
So exciting!
So, is this your card?
Nope.
He can't even do the simplest card trick.
Yes, I can. It's just an honest mistake. Let's continue. Is this your card?
No.
Where is your card then?
There it is. I told you. Remember?
What? Did you do that on purpose? Go away!
Fine.
Bo!
Scam artist, get out of here!
I'm not a scam artist. Friends really trust me. Oh, it was all just a dream. Phew, I have to tell Sue about this.
Hi, friends. How's it going? Long time no see? I wonder what we're going to do today.
Stop
Okay, I wonder what it is.
Everything you love, I made it myself.
Ow, how nice of you! But the tea is already cold, and the marshmallows are half-eaten.
Well, you should have come sooner. I was starving.
Oh, well, thank you for trying anyway.
So, what fun stuff are we gonna do today? Maybe a rock concert? Cooking challenge? Ooh, let's start a fight club!
No, Sammy. We're going to do cool magic tricks, like this one. Check it out. Bibbidi-bobbidi whoosh! And inside the magic hat, there is a baby giraffe. Isn't he adorable?
Wow, it's my turn. Bring the hat. Click, clack, clack. Now you may check the hat.
Okay.
Oh no! A cockroach!
Are you all right, Sammy?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Okay, let's stop fooling around and get down to business.
I'm ready. I won't fail like in my dream.
I believe in you. Hurry up and get me 2 glasses, please.
Yeah, I'm on it, Sue. I won't let you down. I promise. Whee!
All right, here we have a couple of Sam's favorite cookies.
This is heavy, Sue.
I'll take it from here.
Thanks. Hey, these are my cookies.
Yeah, and we need them for our tricks.
Wait a minute. The pack is empty. Where are the cookies?
You see, funny story. I was really hungry.
What? Fine. That trick should better be good.
Well, friends, as you can see, we need a wrapper and 2 tall glasses. Now, the wrapper goes here. And I will be pulling away this glass really slowly.
Oh no, Sue! Stop! The wrapping's gonna fall! Duh!
Don't worry, it's okay. See?
Whoa! How is that even possible? It just hangs in the air like that?
Yeah, I told you I'll show you a trick. A magic trick.
No. There has got to be some cheating here. I have to figure it out.
No cheating, I promise. I can teach you later, okay?
Yeah, whatever you say. Now check out what I can do. 1, 2, 3. Let the magic there be. Yay! Voila! See? It's disappeared. Pretty cool, huh? Now I'm gonna make it reappear. 3, 2, 1. Ah! Why do I have so much bad luck today?
Are you by any chance thirsty?
You know I'm always thirsty, sure. Thirsty for power.
Well, you'll definitely enjoy an orange soda then.
Ooh, can't wait.
Careful, Sammy. How am I supposed to pour a soda if the glass is upside down?
I thought this episode was supposed to be about magic tricks.
I'm making one for you right now. Now watch this. We take the glass and... Ha! The soda is gone.
Whoa, where did it go?
To a magical place.
First my cookies, and now my soda? That's better. Gimme! Hey!
Not just yet. Let me just pour you another one. The one we didn't use for that trick, okay? Here you go.
Hey!
Oh, you can't reach it? Let me help you.
Ladies and gentle pigs, today only, the tastiest ice cream of all flavors.
Oh, it's the ice cream man. Right about time. Hey there! Give me the best strawberry ice cream you got.
With pleasure. That'll be 3 coins.
I must have 3 coins, right? What? I have just 1 and that's it? Oh no, that can't be it. Sue! Sue, help! I need more coins!
Ah, of course, come with me. I have a special magic trick perfect for that.
A magic trick for infinite money? Take it all.
All right, for this trick, we'll need 2 plates and a coin. Let's put it in here. Friends, watch closely. Well, how do you like that, Sammy?
Wow, how did you do that? Amazing. Can I have my money now?
Sure, take it all.
Oh, thanks. But when I get back, you're telling me everything. Here, 3 coins you said?
1 strawberry ice cream coming right up.
So yummy! Oopsie! 5-second rule. I hope nobody saw that. Sue, I demand my answers.
Okay, my impatient friend. I'm ready to tell you how to do those magic tricks. Will you keep it a secret?
Of course. Friends, you promised that too, right? Then just subscribe to our channel and let's learn some magic.
We'll start from the very beginning. As for the wrapping trick, I hid something inside beforehand. Let's have a look. Pretty neat, huh?
Ooh, brilliant! How did I not realize it myself?
And for this trick, I used a glass with a double bottom. See?
Aha! I get it. So the bottom fell in the glass. That's why you didn't let me drink from it. Clever!
And finally, our plates are double bottomed too. We just put our coins right here. And then we do the whoosh. So easy, so simple.
So the coins have been there all along? It's mind-blowing, Sue! Okay, now I will show you my tricks. Welcome to Sammy's Magic Show! Oh, I really hope it won't be like in my nightmare.
Come on, Sammy. Yay! Show us what you've got.
Okay, for my first trick, I'm going to make myself disappear. Now I need you to take the blanket and spread it out in front of me. Can you do that, Sue?
No problem. Actually, I've got a very nice blanket right here.
Yay! Perfect. Are you ready? Let's do this, Susie. Huh? What? Who are you? I'm Sam, and I'm Sam.
Wow, that's amazing. Bravo, Sammy.
Thank you. She's talking to me, guys. Anyway, friends, thanks so much for being with us today. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.